In 2010, AI was so clumsy it struggled to recognize a cat picture. In 2025, AI can write codes, diagnose diseases, and even trade stocks. But here's the kicker. Back in 2010, the breakthrough that would change everything came from an unexpected source: millions of labeled cat photos on the internet. Yes, people's love of funny cat pictures ended up training the future of AI. AI in 2010 was not what you think. Siri had just been launched on iPhone 4 and it could barely set an alarm without messing it up. Robots, mostly lab demos falling over. What most people don't know is that the entire field nearly died in the mid-2000s. Funding dried up and the researchers joked about being stuck in another AI winter. Something many people do not get. In 2010, the world's top AI benchmark, ImageNet, a large database of labeled images used to train and test AI vision systems, had 14 million pictures, and the winning algorithm only guessed right about half the time. Today, AI beats humans in accuracy on many benchmarks. In 2012, something extraordinary happened. Researchers at Google trained a massive neural network on YouTube cat videos. Without being told what a cat was, the AI figured it out. This was the first time deep learning showed its power. And here's the detail you won't find in most headlines. This experiment needed 16,000 processors running in parallel for a single cat detector. Suddenly, AI wasn't a toy anymore. It was hungry for hardware. 2015 to 2020, AI went mainstream: Alexa, Google Assistant, Netflix recommendations, but they were far from perfect. A funny but little known fact. In early tests, Amazon Alexa once ordered hundreds of dollhouses after hearing a TV commercial say, "Alexa, order a dollhouse." AI wasn't intelligent, it was obedient. Too obedient. 2020 changed everything. The pandemic put us online and AI models like GPT-3 and DALL-E showed the world something shocking. Machines could write, draw, and even argue. By 2025, AI doesn't just answer questions, it predicts stock moves, designs new drugs, and creates art you'd swear was human. But here's the undertold part. AI models are so large that training just one can emit more CO2 than 5 cars over their entire lifetime. The future isn't just smart, it's energy hungry. So what's the takeaway? In just 15 years, AI went from fumbling cat memes to reshaping industries. It's not perfect, it hallucinates facts, it's biased, it still gets things wrong. But whether we like it or not, AI has become the new electricity, powering everything quietly in the background. From cats to code, AI's glow up is mind-blowing.